Alright, what's up guys? So here's a little project that I'm working on right now. It's nothing with the RSX, but this is a Tamiya TG10 Mk1. It was released in 1998, and it's basically a little nitro engine. I mean a little nitro car. And I got this thing for a steal. It was 160 off eBay. I'll post some pics of how I got it right now. But yeah, so throwing some cool little parts on it. Got like some you know, the aluminum wheel nuts on. It came with the aluminum steering, as you can see right there. I got these shocks on there, look pretty dope. And yeah, I got the upgraded brake lever and the little lightweight caliper right there. And I do have the performance disc brake, but I haven't thrown it on yet. Oh shit, I'm out of frame. But yeah, so right there, that's a disc brake for the people who don't know. So it'll roll like that. When the servo activates, it stops it. And my radio has ABS, so it's pretty cool that I could adjust the ABS on here. But yeah, so next little project will be something else, and let's get to that right now. Oh, and basically this thing, I changed the chassis plate, but this car was basically brand new. It was put together, started up probably a couple laps, put away, and sat and sold off to me. But yeah, so if you want to see more of this car, smash the like. And yeah, I have a nice race header, I have a nice exhaust, pipe. I'm going to be doing full aluminum hex hardware and possibly a custom top deck for it. But I have a lot of parts for this thing to put it together. And yeah, so besides that right there, trying to get this thing smogged. And you guys already know getting these cars smogged can be a pain in the behind, but I'm gonna try my best. And yeah, it sucks. So I'm probably gonna post this up tonight just to post, and I'm gonna make like a quick little vlog of me smogging it and registering it, because this thing is stressing me out, because these things are a pain to smog, especially at 91. And yeah, so hope everybody is doing good. And man, I've been super busy. You guys don't even know what the hell's been going on, but I'll try and update you guys pretty soon. And yeah, alright guys, thanks for watching, and sorry for the lack of videos, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.